Yeah, we should be live. Hello, good morning. Good morning, gamers. I'm live early today by a minute. All right, now I'm about to be fucking live on these other platforms. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. I don't even know. I don't even know why I'm so. All right, wait. Let me not do that. All right. Well, today has been an interesting fucking day. I woke up late and then I rushed to get this whole stream shit all fucking going. Ooh, kick yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we're live on everything, and I missed all CPI, but it'd be like that. Not that I really care. I don't really trade events. I think it's really aids to try to trade events, but I mean today was no different. Like look at it. Like we wicked up 0.7%, then we dropped down like 1.3%, then are back up another like 0.6 to 0.8% within like a 3-4 hour period on Bitcoin. It's just volatility in both directions. Not really good to be biased. It's very fucking AIDS. Markets in general have been very AIDS recently though, so it's kind of how it is. Kind of how it be like. Yeah. So I'm just staring at a few things. Nice. Good luck. Yeah. So some very AIDS shit. All right. I just gotta block this person DMs. Ignore. All right. I had to clear some DMs. All right, yeah. So Bitcoin, right? All right, I'll get into some chart shit. Let's just start. Yeah, just get into some chart shit. No fucking worries. Let me pull up the weekly. So let's start off with the 5 day actually, for the 5 day. So we're officially here's a 5 day chart. So maybe today I'll actually make some clips. I don't know. I've been making clips because I've been fucking busy. Today there's not even gonna be any good clips. I'll be real with you. It's just gonna be me being absolutely retarded. Maybe taking some live trades, and that's it. But weekly, we still have the weekly setup where volatility's expanded. We have stochastic momentum expanding above 26,300. Joule still very easily curvature up. DMI supported green, etc. etc. Very strong signal. Very good signal. Looks good to me. No complaints here on this one. 2 day probably volatility still coming down. Yeah, volatility now at 30%. Very nice, 27%. So we're getting closer to a point where we can start expanding off of. I would expect this to expand potentially within the next 10 days. That's like a potential zone, and that'd be actually really nice because I'm getting bored as fuck in this range. I would think everybody else is bored as fuck, and it would be fantastic if we can get an expansion. Apparently, 3 day chart everybody's looking at. Pretty much just AIDS spinning tops. You know how it'd be like. You know how it is. Makes me want to kill myself. It's actually we could end up trending on this chart. This isn't like biased in any direction yet. Daily stochastic 3200. BWP is very low, so we're waiting on an expansion here. As long as we're above 3200, we are remaining bullish to the upside. Like there's more of an upside bias. I do expect us right now to retest the top zone, which would be a very good thing because I don't know. I feel like we should just retest the top again. We've been retesting the bottom. We've been like having really AIDS PA. We should retest at least 31, 31 8, just so like just for fuck's sake. You know what I'm saying? Like some age shit. 12 hours, same thing. You had this curve up. Uh, sorry. Let me get some water. So I just woke up. I'm like fucking tweaking. I mean, about 3100. Bullish. Volatility super low again, waiting for expansion. I wanted the signal on the 12 hour where we got below 35. We didn't, so I don't have an insane bias, but overall, still remains bullish as long as we're about 3,200. Would expect continuation due to that. 4 hour, let me go to this chart on the 4 hour. Do I have anything marked? Is it this one? Yeah. Let me just delete some of this shit. So, 4 hour massive spinning top. What does it mean? Nothing. It means we're literally AIDS. We're just grinding up with like these insane wicks on both sides, and it's been like complete like dog shit price action on these lower term time frames. Even though we're up 2% since here. Nah, but like even it's been like insanely cringe PA. Very hard to play on any like shorter time frame. 1 hour, same thing. We're just grinding up. This is we're in an uptrend, which is always a good sign. We get above 3,700 and we pivot bullish. Anything else in volume that I care about? Nothing really that I care about. I have like all these indicators, but like they're not really like. It's only if I care about them. I mean, is that a no? It's not even a div. What is it here? So I guess that was a div. I don't know. Nothing super interesting to me, to say the least. I have no particular bias. 15-minute again, just complete aids, grinding up, which is always a good sign. You do want that little bit of an uptrend. Yeah, you still have this. You do have a volume div here, so this is volume suites CVD or some shit like that, or like where you do have this little bit of a div here versus this is from here to here. So now is that particularly bearish? I guess, but at the same like it is a bearish signal, but it's so far away, so I don't know the back tested distance, because I know with RSI, usually you don't want to go past 32 candles. This is 98 candles, so I don't even know if I'd want to play this out. Now you do have the div here, which is a lot more interesting, where between here and here, price went up, but you already got this move down, so I already consider this as played out. I don't really consider this major. So other than that, on the 15-minute, I don't really see anything good. If we go to the Levitas, you do see a little bit of a different picture. If we go to some volume, some shit. So on the bright side, we are seeing what's it called? OI come down, or not OI. We're seeing OI move up while we're seeing funding come down, and that is a bullish signal historically, as we know. I want to adjust this to the 8-hour. Interesting. No. That makes sense actually. All right, one sec. Thanks. All right. Anyways, so what we are seeing is this little bit of a grind up, where sorry, I just wanted to mark out a zone. Now we are seeing this little bit of a grind. There we go. So we are grinding up, as you see, trend still very obviously up. The main key point though is that we have wick to the upside, and as this OI has come up, so OI has come up like probably a few percent, 5%. It's actually come up quite a bit. Actually, I believe Bitcoin's OI has come up the most. If we refresh this, yeah, so Bitcoin OI is the one that's moved up the highest, meaning that people are starting to trade Bitcoin again because of the event, which is honestly not a bad thing. That's actually an interesting data point as to why Bitcoin tends to be bullish in those events. Plus, our bullish hours are upcoming, like the hours where we tend to move the most, they're later on. So we'll see. Wednesday does tend to be a bearish day, but I don't think today will be necessarily bearish based on anything I've said previously. I don't see a reason to be bearish. But we have seen funding come all the way down, which is a very good sign. The reason why is because it means people are pretty short. Even though we're net long right now, people are pretty short, and you don't need to be net short on Bitcoin to be bullish, especially in an uptrend. You just want to see, so you do consider this as like your momentum, where momentum is saying, yeah, we're more likely to go up, since recently people have been shorting, and recently we've seen OI go up 5%. So I do think overall people are potentially net short, and I do think this ends up resolving to the upside. Now things can change with funding and OI. The issue with them is that things move very fast, so it's not really an exact science, but you kind of use them to play out moves. So had you gone long over here, you'd be able to just be like, all right, it's very easy for me to stay long because it's more obvious that we're going to continue up than not. It's more not necessarily to take trades on, but more to identify when to exit and when things are more obvious that things might start turning. Other than that, that kind of got me done for the day with those stuff. Let me reset Twitter to this. All right, so Velo data also, as part of our goal to be the fastest, easiest place for viewing crypto data, we've rolled out an in-app help desk. Users can now ask anything or give feedback about Velo without having to leave it. Top right in the nav bar. May have a public chat feature coming later this week. Very nice. Love me some Velo. Velo are one of my favorite projects, and I keep talking about them every fucking time because they're just that nice. They're just that good. So good to see them continuing to update. Okay, when Bitcoin move up. So I don't know if you've seen in TradFi, Riot has rallied, Coinbase has rallied, MicroStrategy's rallied. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has rallied, but not the same level. Not the 46%, not the 75%, not the 68%. It's rallied 18%. So hopefully we start seeing a Bitcoin pump soon. I expect it to be sooner than later, but we can easily keep going sideways for another 2 weeks. Another like 15 days very easily before we start moving up again. Okay, this I'm trying to find. Wait, let me get the top tweet because still don't know if 2021 was crypto's .com mania level. Sure, had the CNB. All right, he just goes and talks about everything that interesting to happen, which a lot of very interesting things happen. Now, do I think it was a .com? No, but there are a lot of .com level events there, and the worry is that it was. And honestly, even if it was or wasn't, I don't think we've seen any real crypto adoption, and that's why I don't think it is. But in terms of purely overhypedness, this probably was the .com bubble in terms of things being way overhyped, but we haven't seen any real adoption. I think once real adoption comes, that's a true .com mania would come, because you'll see a bunch of like retarded coins like actually like go up. I mean, you see it right now, so maybe we've already had it. But I think that's also a part of crypto, because crypto just naturally has a lot of this very manic moments, even during the middle of the bear market. You just have like Pepe go up like a billion quadrillion percent, and the issue is with crypto is that it's such a liquidity siphon that like it's so easy to pump things where you do have manias. So I do think manias continue to happen in crypto until it gets way bigger and way more regulated. So for now, until regulation like stifles that, which it probably will, I expect there to continue to be more mania type events. US CPI core month over month 0.2%, estimated was 0.3%, so CPI was lower than expected. CPI month over month was 0.2, estimated was 0.295, so again lower than expected. CPI year over year is 3%, estimated was 3.1%. So again, it was lower than expected on all time frames. Now, despite this, market still says inflation is too high, which is true. CPI is way too high. It needs to come down. But yeah, so potentially we see more interest rate hikes. I have to refresh every 2 weeks because Twitter is fucking broken today. 33 days until Bitcoin ETF decision, coin mooning, ETF odds increasing, dips are for buying. Eventually, all will capitulate into the FOMO frenzy once the next leg starts. So yeah, I agree with Hitoshi. I think crypto does start mooning and starts being very bullish. And overall, right now, it feels like they're trying to like shake people out before this next big leg up. That's what it feels like to me. Now, apparently a billion USDT was minted, which is always a bullish sign because it tends to pump the markets directly. Bank of America. All right, so let's get into some scamville. Bank of America apparently were secretly opening credit card accounts in customers' names, double charged overdraft fees, and withheld promise purchase from users. They've now been fined $150 million over junk fees, as well as now have to reimburse $80 million to their customers. So if you have an account with Bank of America, yeah, they've been scamming you. Get bitched, and go get your money back. Someone needs to translate this. So let's listen to Biden. Oh wait, let me give audio to all my users, so we can clown Sir Biden the
included
God knows
groundbreaking Asian Americans like Vera Wang and Joan Shingang, I'm going to pronounce Shanga Kawawa. Included
Bro, what the
groundbreaking Asian Americans like Vera Wang.
Oh, he said groundbreaking American Asian. Oh, Wang. Something Wang.
And Joan.
And Joan. Ching. All right, bro. Bro's completely out of it. Honestly, I actually was able to understand the first part, but like only at like my 4th or 5th listen, I was like, oh, I understand what he's saying. This is like my 5th listen on that rocket. I was like, what the fuck is going on here, bro? Biden be like, yeah, included groundbreaking Vera Wang and Joan the Shin. Yeah, exactly. So like the ending was completely like gone. Bro has no, like, I'm not good at speaking. I don't enunciate enough, but that man does not be able to speak at all. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be flaming him. I honestly should also be put in mental asylum for the way I speak. It'd be like that though. One of these days, I will be able to properly speak. I'll be able to properly speak like a good American and have no problems with that. Maybe, maybe. OMG, what is going on there? Leading report breaking: Biden's DOJ has removed child sex trafficking from its list of areas of concern. Interesting, interesting. Interesting, interesting. Uh, they have not. They only modified a page detailing. There's no official. All right, bet. Thank you, thank you. You see, this is why context, whatever it's called, community notes is so good. Community notes is fucking broken. I preferred the old name for community notes. I don't remember what it was, but community notes is fucking goated. By the way, I just want to hear something real quickly. I adjusted my audio to be mono. Very good, much cleaner actually. Very nice. So yeah, some shit. Then I saw some shit. Yo, Russian Duma approves a digital ruble, but Putin still has to sign off. What does that mean? It means that Russian Duma greenlights. I mean, it looks like they're gonna have a CBDC in Russia. Sounds about right. Sounds like every other country. Sounds like every other country. So no surprise there. Nothing super relevant or interesting, but Putin still sign off. So I guess we're waiting on Putin allowing it, but it's probably gonna happen. Retry because Twitter's being trash. Good morning. This guy Boogie2988. I'm finally rich. How crypto made me rich. And then 5 days ago, I need your help. Let's actually take a look at this guy's video. Let's flame the fuck out of him really quickly. Boogie29. Damn, he comes up before A Boogie with a hoodie. Oh well, I guess it's A Boogie. Damn, this guy's fat. Fuck. Wait, is this not real? I need. No. Alright, maybe he's not into crypto. Alright, I have no idea who this guy is. But this is hilarious. This is meme, but it is hilarious. Meme. Yeah. I just popped a bean. Yeah. I just fucked the team. Yeah. I just fucked the whole basketball. Hey, yo, pause. The whole women's basketball team. You know how it be? They got creamed. Get it? Double entendre. Double entendre like that. Yeah. Alright, so market watch. 1 inch is up the most. Interesting. Conflux. Bit. Other than that, it seems like everything's a little bit I mean, everything's been sideways last week. Very AIDS. Some very AIDS price action, as I keep saying. In my watch list, I believe some things have pumped. RLB continues to be an outperformer. That's why I keep allocating more and more funds to RLB. Betsworld continues to be an outperformer. Yes, sir. Redoto continues to be an outperformer. Yes, sir. That's why we pick these gambling coins like a motherfucker. On the weekly, quick swap bets, Solana has done quite well. Very nice. Arcam Intelligence. So Arcam Intelligence, I was meeting them yesterday. They said they are not a government project. Look, they're literally the Pentagon logo. So I get it. I mean, it kind of makes sense because they're an intelligence, but at the same time, yeah, they got some issues. Yeah, is that my only alt? Oh, the SEC previously labeled Algo as a security in April, and now they're apparently shutting down their AlgoFi by the end of the year. Very interesting, very unfortunate, and sorry about that. Algo probably dumping. I'm actually curious. If I searched up the Algo chart, they're probably like down only right now. Let's look at them on a yearly basis. Yeah, they haven't pumped at all in this pump. Unfortunate. Actually, it's really I'm saying they haven't pumped at all. Like they've only dumped 10%. Of all time, though, they're actually making new lows, which is quite impressive. It's not something that most people can do. They're literally making new lows right now. It's actually insane to me. Unfortunate. Good luck to Algo and their team. Let's do some DCA magic. As it be like. Oops, did not mean to do that. So let's add some Bitcoin. $10 worth of Bitcoin. Damn, how much Bitcoin can I fucking get? Like nothing these days. Add transaction. Add transaction ETH. .00543. Oh, nice. Like that. Like that. We get that shit first try. All right, big cap of the day. Do I want to add more to Uniswap? Not really. I'm kind of done. Dude, look how wrecked these big caps are getting. I'm actually, I think, net down on my big cap portfolio, which is really impressive. Not as down as ETH, but this is net down. This is bad. I think I'm going to add more to Radix. I quite like them as an L1. I think right now they dumped after their things went live, so as an XRD. And I'm actually willing. This is one of the few coins I'm willing to DCA into when they're down. I don't want to DCA too much when they're up. But while they're down, I do think this can perform like a Matic type, where they pump insanely during the bull. Oops. All right, there we go. And then for my microcaps, which have obviously outperformed the market significantly, because I'm big on gambling, and I'm big on like, look, I'm big on gambling, and I'm big on like all the right shit, pretty much. Like, I have some big losers. Level Finance is a pretty big loser. I'm still bullish long term. But, like, I have winners like Pendle, Gains, Rollbit that I'm just up insanely on. I didn't even realize I put so much into Gains. 40 into Gains. Interesting. But yeah, Rollbit up insanely. You know how it is. You know, we call this shit right in the beginning. I might add more to RDT. Just the gambling narrative. My bets roll isn't performing so well, but that's because I feel like I DCA'd pretty high. What do I need to... Is it like 800? 600. 580. 575. There we go. Add transaction. I'm just curious, what's the Bitcoin doing? Oh, grinding sideways. Who would have thought? Just in this casual uptrend, you know, nothing insane. I'm just curious. I'm just doing some measurements. Oops, one sec here. You want to see me fucking do some like shit? Alright. So right now this is the 0.618. 0.5. We bounce off the 0.382. Alright. Run this shit like Cardi B. Run this shit like... Sorry, I'm just curious what our posturing is. We want to bounce here pretty much. We bounce off the EMA 55. I remain bullish. We start getting below it and closing below it. I'm pretty bearish. 1 hour is still should be a bullish chart. No, this is never a bullish chart. It's the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's gonna pull back soonish. Yeah. All right, looks like AIDS to me. I don't have any actual bias to be able to trade this shit. It's actually AIDS. These charts. I'll get into some more NFT shit in a second. I'm just curious. I want to look at Solana on the 15. Very nice pump on the Soy Lana. Wow, very nice pump. Would expect this more to pull back. Matic, very shitty chart. Rune, Arbitrum, nothing insane. All of them are pretty shitty charts. Super's back to 11 cents. Wow, it's like a stable coin, 11 cents. All right, yeah, nothing super interesting. Let's get back into the fucking. Let's get back into the articles. So, what's it called? Fuddies have officially spent all of the mint funds. So down only Fuddies. Said Fuddies is 0. I love Fuddies so much. They're so funny. They're hilarious. This is honestly just a good video. Not good video, good meme. What's their floor at, by the way? I'm just curious. 79? Wow. It's a grind back up, but they're grinding back up. Yes, sir, ski. Oops. Not me close that because I like looking at them every day. Pudgy Penguins. Floor is 4.1 ETH. Yeah. Where's my Pudgy calendar? What the fuck? No. Pudgy calendar. What the fuck? Fucking me over. Upcoming. All right, let's take a look at what's upcoming on the calendar. So if it's gonna load, it's just quite slow. Thursday we got the NYC Pudgy Penguins Huddle. Oh, it's a Twitter space. I was here. Ooh. All right, I don't know. All right, let's talk about some Fadzuki. So Fadzuki's revealed. Let's open them up on OpenSea. They're actually fucking amazing. Fadzuki, yeah. Yeah, look how cool these are. I mean, their floor dumped insanely. They're at now a 0.02 floor. So these are going to be a down only, but they look so fucking funny. Look, and then some have like chocolate bars. Bro, whoever made these actually put in some effort into these arts. Now, do I hate these? Absolutely. With a passion. Wait, can I get like a cool element? Oh, wait, they have also like different elements. Butterfly element? Foxfire? Oh, I think this is like the element around them. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Wait, what's the other one? No, but there's a not element. How do I check their type? Oh, spirit. Let's take a look at the spirits. Wow, the spirits are actually worth an okay amount. Wow, these are so ugly. It's hilarious how ugly they are. God damn. Yeah, fuck these shits. Fuck the Fatzukis. So Ether just minted. Now they ended up having to they were unable to mint out, right? Because they were so expensive, so they ended up changing the way their mint worked. Now they ended up airdropping every holder one free ether capsule per one ether capsule held. A snapshot has been taken for this airdrop. Any ether capsules purchased after this announcement will not receive an airdrop. This airdrop includes whitelist miners, whether locked up or paid, secondary market participants, and public safe sale minters. Airdrops will be sent at 7:30 a.m. July 12 PST. So, and then for the remaining supply, we'll be hosting a fair Dutch auction at 10 a.m. July 12 PST. It'll be open to the public on the Ether website. Details about the fair Dutch. So, anyways, basically their mint kind of flopped. Unfortunate. I think their floor is holding though. They've done the best they can to make sure floor isn't. Alright, floor is holding a 0.35, which is honestly a reasonable floor. I'm sure their art will come out sick. I might look to purchase one or two. It looks like they still want to. It looks like they're still want to release all 555 of them. So looks like they already airdropped them. Very nice. There's 300 that have needs to be Dutch auctioned off, and then once they get rid of those, I mean, I guess we'll find out how these end up doing. Overall, how do I feel about the project? I am bullish at this from this point. I think they can't go that much lower. I think they can go lower, but I don't think they can go that much lower. Unfortunately, the team has only been able to raise $1 million. So I think they will struggle on funds for their plans. Their plans they want to raise like 20 million or 5 million or whatever. And now they're raising 1 million. They've raised 1 million and they're pretty much done raising. Like they're not going to get any more money out of this. So I don't really know how to feel per se. Overall, I feel bad for the team. I kind of called it. It's just too expensive a mint. If they minted at 0.35, they have the mint cost. I think these might have minted out fully at 555 at 5555. But it'd be like that sometimes, and I guess we'll find out what happens. But I'm glad they made some money off royalties and shit. But also, look, only 18% unique holders, meaning like everybody's a whale in this project, which is both bullish and bearish. Because it means price can dump super hard, super fast, but it also means that uh your core holders. It also means price can pump super fast because your core holders will all be holding. So I guess we'll see how this plays out. Not particularly bullish, not particularly bearish. Let's get some gaming, big time. So they have a new patch, and they have Ben Franklin. They have like some new enemies and shit. And or no, so that's Benjamin Franklin in their patch. So I think it's kind of funny, kind of cute art. Passy, the strategy will not freaking change. Prepare yourself. So the goal is to Trojan horse normies into crypto, just like it is with Pudgy Penguins. I mean, I agree with him. The strategy will not change, and overall bullish, uh, bullish founders and bullish people like this. That's all I really have to say. Just going through my noties. I don't know. I'm pretty fucking tired. Shorter stream. How fast did I run through this shit? I'm not even recording. I don't really care. 30 minutes. I'm not going to drop clips today. I didn't drop clips yesterday, even though I should have. I'm not going to. Maybe I'll end up making some posting on YouTube, but I doubt it. I'm probably just going to spend some time myself. And because I'm working on some things. But I'll probably get back to clipping the day after once things become more interesting. Things have been just pretty boring, and clips have gotten me some good views. But I really prefer the stream part, not the clipping part. So I got to figure out just how to stop being a little bitch about them clips and how to improve the way I speak. Damn, Bitcoin really pulling back. I run this shit like cardio. You know I like it like that. Just curious. I don't know. I don't know. No particular bias on the Bitcoin chart. It just so aids. I had to like deal with some shit with my school, so I don't know. I'm just dealing with a lot of random bullshit recently. Like everybody's on my dick for no reason. Like everything in life just has gone not my way. So I don't know. I've been taking things pretty slowly, but you know, like literally, like everything goes wrong. And you know what? What fucking sucks? I check my horoscope, right? I don't like believe in that shit, but I check it randomly. And like everything's been going really shitty last 2 days, and I was like, let me check my horoscope. Why? Because I don't know. I have no explanation for this shit. And my horoscope is literally dog shit for like the next week. It's literally complete dog shit. It started a few days ago, and it's going to continue being really really shitty. All right, so fuck me, bro. I guess the stars are telling me to like go fuck myself. So it's like what the fuck? Like how, I don't understand it. Like everything's literally not going my way. Whatever. Whatever. Unfortunate. How the fuck? Alright, I don't understand something. Whatever. I'm sick of everything right now. Nothing, literally nothing's going my way. It be like that, but I don't know, like, I don't know. It's not even like I was insanely up. I didn't even go through like an invincible phase. Like I had a phase where I was feeling good, but it wasn't like insane. And now it's like really, really shitty. It's like really, really shitty. I don't know. I don't know what to say. But I guess that's just life for you. It be like that sometimes. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm gonna hop off. I like nothing's working out for me, so I might not even be clipping until like shit starts going like right. I'll be real. I don't know. Like I'm just harder grinding and like fucking everything is just on my dick for no fucking reason. Like I'm working the hardest I've ever worked, and everything has decided no. You know what? Fuck you. You don't. You're not even allowed to try. That's the way life feels like to me. It's like you're not even allowed to try. Whatever. I don't know what to say. I'm just pretty upset right now. I'm just going through some shit. But I guess it's life. You know, you have ups and downs, but it's like shit doesn't make sense. Like it's like so undeserved. It's like the time where like I'm trying to get shit done is a time where like I'm getting fucked the most. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see what happens. I hope everybody has a okay day. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. I should still remain positive despite how fucked everything is right now. But whatever. I wish everybody the best.